by anyone, like the county judge. That's not true. At any time, they could have decertified any staff member and they would have been removed from doing anything on the election.
Yeah, Commissioner, I understand your position.
My concern is it can't be stipulated to because it isn't true.
Well, there's nothing that we can do in terms of if all council stipulates to it, including Mr. Madison.
If I might,
Sure.
We actually discussed that term, and it's not that you couldn't be certified, it's that they couldn't fire them. It says the employment relationship. So
Okay, but it says remove, and they could have removed them
Not as employees. I mean,
from the election process. I just think it needs a little clarification.
I think the stipulation, can I say it? I'm sorry.
I've got a question as well. First off, kudos to council for, I'm not certain how you managed to put together such a lengthy and substantive stipulation in such a short amount of time. But is there any way possible that this stipulation could be printed off so that the commission has it at their disposal when they deliberate? Because it is a lot of information.
And we can get it, we'll have an email to the office and I'll have staff bring it over.
Okay. I'm sorry, Mr. Smith, you were going to say something?
just in response, Madam Commissioner, I think that the fact is that this staff was worked for the county at the direction of the county judge. And then there are other facts with regard to the certification I believe are open questions that will be debated, and I think your concerns will be alleviated at that time.
My concern is that it's by statute that they can decertify them and keep them out of the process. It's in that case, the Jefferson County case. I just want to be clear on that. If it's just in the sense of the employment relationship, I'm fine with it.
Yes, ma'am. We're talking about the employment relationship.
Okay.
Yes. I agree that it's related only to the employment relationship, not as an election official.
And counsel, for the benefit of the commission, could I ask you a little clarification and elaboration? So I'm looking at the order of notice of hearing, both for Ms. Gomez and Commissioner Stayer. And there are 4 allegations of fact that as I understand it, that staff has to prove by preponderance of the evidence. And so I'm wondering at this point, so allegation 1, inclusion of 327 disqualified ballots in the total count in such a way that the improperly included ballots could not be identified and removed from the totals. That lengthy stipulation that was just read, does that mean that you are not going to put on evidence in terms of that allegation of fact? Has that already been stipulated to, or has it been partly stipulated to? How does that work? Because essentially that's what's driving the bus in these allegations of fact.
So we're stipulating that happened, and so we're not going to argue that it didn't happen.
Okay, so
there will be arguments about how it happened and who's ultimately responsible for it.
all right, so you're stipulating that allegation of fact happened, but you're not stipulating that your clients were responsible for it. Okay.
Yes.
Is that the same thing with allegation number 2? Failure to certify accurate results. Are you stipulating that happened, but your clients are not responsible for that as well?
Yeah, that would be our position.
Okay. Same with allegation number 3, failure to maintain proper balance security. You're stipulating that happened, but your clients are not responsible.
Yes, sir.
And just, again, belt and suspenders. Allegation of fact 4, failure to timely and accurately report unofficial election results that include
Claim this had to show up.
on account of outstanding ballots and account of outstanding ballots. Apologize. You're stipulating that occurred, but your clients are not responsible.
Yes, sir.
All right. We all on the same page?
That's correct. That's my understanding, is that the underlying factual statements are admitted. The issue is the ramification of those factual
Who screwed up?
All right. In terms of ultimate liability and/or responsibility.
There's a car wreck. It's just a matter of who was